Now I'm going to take you on a little tour of a interesting travel trailer slash motorhome. It's the Spartan Manor, 1948. It's for sale at the Kissimmee show that Mecum is running. I'll take you a little brief tour of this. Now, this is 1948. And there's an interesting history to Spartan Manufacturing Company. It started in Oklahoma, and really J. Paul Getty was involved. Oil strikes really formed a foundation for new companies, and Spartan got into making airplanes, and they then applied that technology of aluminum building to these travel trailers. And this reminded me so much of the Airstream type, but this Spartan stopped making these trailers in 1962. And I have going to post a link for you to read a little bit about the history of the Spartan Manufacturing Company. It's very interesting. And my hand is in the way here a little bit, but at any rate, very nicely furnished, and I don't know what it sold for, if it did sell, but interesting vehicle. And of course, the streamlined design would make it pretty efficient as far as actually going over the road. Nice big windows, curved glass. Very interesting that this is all available in 1948. And maybe it's not glass, maybe it's plexiglass. There's the aerial there on the side. It says everything you need for some interesting travel. You never know what you're going to find at these auctions.